Here is the latest project. Stretched out chopper fat tire bike with rear suspension. Cruise is awesome. 7-speed. Entirely custom made. Just brakes front and rear. All controlled by one single lever, as you can see there. Painted flat black with the red accents on the rims and several of the other components. It's got the 26 by 4-inch rims and tires with the old original Schwinn headlight tail light assembly, which I've been holding on to for years, waiting for find the right bike to put it on, and this just seemed like the right one to do it. Hand rolled aluminum seat. Monoshock from a mountain bike. Shifter is from an exercise bike. The handle and knob is from an old meat grinder. The handlebars are a combination of 3 different bars, actually. The bars coming from the headset were from a 10-speed, and from that point I straightened them and then used the bars from a beach cruiser and then lengthened them again to get the length I wanted here. The rake is pretty dramatic here. It's about 42 degrees. And it is stretched out axle to axle 6 feet. 72 inches from axle to axle. And it actually has 7 speeds, just one rear derailleur. Front sprocket is just a single sprocket. Not many people make these beach cruisers with more than just a single speed, but I just felt that it needed to be done. In order to do that, keep the chain tight and not falling off the derailleur. You can see there's a roller here, like you'd see on a motorcycle. Pretty simple. Sounds like the brake pads are revving a little bit. It does stop on a dime, especially since I had the front and rear brakes tied together. But it's a cruiser, excellent for the beach. Cruise the boardwalk. And it's for sale.